Sailner is a high-tech enterprise under the renowned printing technology group Seine Technology. We are committed to the research and development, sales, and service of industrial-grade 3D printing technology. Our independently developed jet-based full-color PolyJet 3D printing technology has established a complete product line covering entry-level, professional-level, and production-level applications. It features full-color, multi-material capabilities, high precision, high efficiency, and customization. Our solutions are widely applied in education, training, industrial design, and scientific research. Our main products include WJP 3D printers, portrait scanners, laser engravers, UV printers, UV inks, and FDM filament. We welcome partners worldwide to join us.